Participate in the first virtual UArctic thematic network, Global Ecological and Economic Connections in Arctic and Subarctic Crab Markets workshop, brought to you by IASC and the PICO project, which stands for Participatory Modeling of Integrated Ecosystem-Based Management Regimes for Invasive Crabs. The workshop will take place in two parts. First, we will create short videos of our research interests, and then we will meet online to discuss the creation or completion, since some are already underway, of synergetic outputs. The content of your video is up to you. It can be as simple as recording yourself talking to the group to introduce your interests, or a PowerPoint presentation with your research, or it can be more holistic or artistic, a crab meal, a fishing trip, a stomach dissection, or a freezer full of crab. Examples might include this video here, or our report to the Belmont Forum from last year, link in the email, but feel free to use your imagination. Your video should be short, perhaps 2 to 10 minutes, and try to address two overarching questions. One, how are you engaged in the biological, ecological, economic, and/or social components of Arctic and subarctic crab research? And two, what main questions do you wish to engage in outside of your primary field to achieve greater understanding of the connections amongst these components and the changes they are undergoing? Videos are due December 1st. Some financial support for videos is available, around 600 euros each. So you can ask a student or even a professional to help you if you want, but this is not necessary. You can also have your own time funded. We will then share the videos with each other to prepare for online meetings scheduled December 9th and 16th. The videos extend our ability to converse across time zones. Since we hope to have participants from around the world, meeting times will be determined after clustering the videos by interest, and it will be important to use our time together wisely. The videos are one expected output of the workshop. We will determine the best format for sharing these more broadly at the meetings. It will, of course, be possible to keep your video private to the group if needed, but hopefully many will want to share their research and engagement with the broader public. As with past Crab Network workshops, the planning and advancement of joint research papers is also desirable, and/or funding applications for interdisciplinary research. We also have the opportunity for a special issue in the aquatic food section of Frontiers in Sustainable Food Systems. If you wish funding support for your participation, please contact me, Brooks Kaiser, by October 27th. You can contact me at any time with other questions as well. My email is baka@sam.sdu.dk. I look forward to sharing with you in this workshop.